Oh. Hi, Robbie. Heard you were at Trisha's get together last night. How was it?
Oh!
Oh!
I don't know what's going on with Asap sila. Nagiging personal yung show natin. So, sige.
I really want to know. How was Trisha's get together?
Pwede ba yan ito? Pwede ba yung close-up lang?
Oh. No, yesterday I went to Trisha get together in
Yeah, by the way, Trisha,
okay.
thank
Hello,
you
Trisha.
so much for inviting me.
Thank you so much also.
May tanong dito sa likod.
No, wait lang.
Nililig ka.
Wait,
Ito ah.
they invited me. Dahil may parang romantic. She has a crush on you. I don't know.
Really?
Maybe I do.
Alam ni Brett niya eh. Alam ni Brett eh.
Okay. Depends. No, but Trisha is a good girl. And
Oh.
nice and sweet. And you should know that. Yes, I know.
Sabi niya,
Yeah. Okay. Okay.